My name's Jasper, and this is my second channel. Feel free to check out my main channel down below. But this is a channel where I post daily videos answering people's questions on how to grow a digital marketing agency using the GoHighLevel software. I've built my own six-figure agency over the past few years, and I still manage clients to this day, so I'm in the trenches with you. And now I help others for free to grow their own agency. And for context, the Zoom call recordings you'll see in these videos, I do every day for free for my GoHighLevel affiliates and just answer their different questions. If you want to be a part of these free Zoom calls and work with me directly, you can read more about how to get access to that down below.
On Search Atlas, if I wasn't going to use the auto and just wanted to use it for local heat maps and stuff like that, like can I use the heat maps and just get run like before and afters, like just for all my clients with that one license? Like, or do I need like a separate license for every single URL?
Yeah, you just need one license. The only way you have to like upgrade licenses is if you're using the auto pixel on different
Yeah.
websites. But if you're just using the core features of Search Atlas, like the heat mapping tool, the keyword tool, all that stuff, then you can just stay on a basic plan. They're like 99 plan per month and use all those for like multiple different clients. So yeah, you don't have to upgrade.
And can you walk, it's like I was getting confused on Search Atlas on like the local heat map and keyword search, because like similar to the question like Lorenzo had, like is like the kind of the traffic for the keyword, but like I'm doing a lot of these local businesses, so it's like are all it seemed like all these keywords are like national traffic, like across like so like if it's hard to say is that like traffic, like how much traffic is someone in San Diego searching for that word versus like the across the entire United States. I don't know if like Search Atlas can do that or if that's even a thing. Like, because like it's like when I get the clients, like go like we want to go after water heater replacement. Like, well, how many people in San Diego, California, or Lakeside, California, are searching for water heater replacement versus like the entire United States?
Yeah, so what you kind of have to do is you have to put that state or that city on the end of your keyword
Uh,
search. And so you would say instead of just like water heater
what's
replacement,
the city
you would do
name? You
water
put
heater replacement
San
Dallas,
Diego.
Texas, and
Okay.
then it will pull up the how many searches that area is getting for that keyword in any
Uh,
given month. So you just have to put the city on the end of it.
can you go through where you went to get to that heat map and search term lookup? I was like Search Atlas is almost like too feature heavy to where it's like it's hard to like navigate sometimes. Seems like I'm not too extremely familiar with it.
Yeah, so like this is the heat mapping tool here. You go to local SEO and then local SEO heat maps, and then you
Uh,
can type out like, let's do, what's an example of like a keyword you would want to search for a client maybe?
um, so the one I'm doing right now is a painting contractor, so like interior house painting or like something like that.
Interior painting. Well, sorry, my bad. We'll do you have like a specific business or no?
His business name is Franklin Custom Finish. Yeah, yep, that's the top one.
So what we do here is we come here, we type in the name of the business, and then we go ahead and save it in here. And then we can click on the business and then we can enter keywords to see how they're ranking. So let's do like interior painting. And then instead of doing 3 miles, I like to go a little bit further out. So let's do like a 15-mile radius. And then for that keyword, did I spell that right? Interior painting. I think that's right. And then we'll do like run local search, use current settings. And then it just takes a minute, but
Yeah.
it'll give us a heat map and show like how the pins are for the area. You know, it'll color the pins, whatever, red, yellow, green, depending on how good the ranking is. And it'll show like a number on each pin for how well it's ranking. So the average score is 16.2. And then I'll just click on this and then it'll pull up that heat map and then it'll show them, all right, they're ranking fine, close to where they're at, which is normal, right? Like businesses, if like you're right next to somebody and you search paint interior painting, you're going to pop up #1 just because of how close you are in proximity.
Like on
Uh,
our doorstep, #1, but like I said, that's
they're doing decent up here, so this might be an area where they've done some business and they have some reviews from people up here, and maybe in their Google profile they have that keyword on in their, posts or on some of the reviews that were left. But looks
yeah,
like some of these other areas aren't doing so hot. And so you can work on making update posts that have these cities like in the names of the on the update post descriptions. Getting reviews from people is ultimately what will help. So if you get like a review from somebody in one of these areas, and in the review it says Fernbrook, naturally Google's going to see, all right, he did a job for someone in Fernbrook because they left a review and said they were from Fernbrook, and so he'll start ranking better in those areas. Same with your your service pages on the website,
yeah,
right? Or location pages, my bad. If you have like a location page for these different cities, those will help you start ranking, making sure these cities are on his Google business profile under
yeah.
like the locations where he does business part. That would be something to look at. So anyway, those
Okay.
that's
And
how
this,
it works.
are you able to like save this view so like you can go back a week? Oh, you just get the PDF. Okay.
It saves it automatically in search out. Since we just did the search, it'll have like a history and save this one. But you can also like share this with your client through a link or get a PDF download of like a report like this with the map and then send it to your client as well. So yeah.
Okay.
If you want some more in-depth content on how to grow your digital marketing agency, you can join my free HighLevel Quest community down below. It has my full 7-hour course on how to get your agency fully set up and go high level from start to finish.